Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1971 Chevrolet C10, 65 miles, guys, on a frame-off restoration. Slick truck. It's got a couple little sprinkles on it here. It's starting to kind of spin a little bit. We'll see if we can get this video in before the rain gets here. Love the color. Man, do I wish we had some sunshine on this thing. This is Crimson Crush metallic paint. Gorgeous color. Really pops in the sunlight. It's got 20-inch chrome American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. ZR rated rubber. All new dark saddle interior. Pretty truck. New glass. It's got a late model Vortec 5.3 fuel injected engine in it. It's just little spits of rain, guys. Sorry. Gotta love Mother Nature. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck. Like I say, there's hardly any miles on it. I'm sure there'll be some shakedown. There always is with fresh restored vehicles. But really nice. Hits the road good. It's got a 3.5 drop kit on it. Like I say, all new glass in it. Pretty paint. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Sorry about the sprinkles, but love the interior. It is a short bed. He's got the rubber mat in it, but it's all painted in here. It's just put the rubber mat so that keeps it nice. A couple little touch-up marks I've seen here. Pretty truck, man. Nice and straight down the sides. Truck sits good. Again, they've got it lowered down. 3.5 drop kit on it. Good looking truck. Front disc brakes. Again, all brand new ZR rated rubber. Again, it's got the 5.3 Vortec electronic fuel injection engine in it, aluminum heads. You can see it's got the front runner system on it. Brand new old air products, AC heat and AC unit. It's got the Spectre cold air intake, power steering, power front disc brakes. It has a 400 turbohydramatic trans, all custom radiator and everything in it. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Air blows ice cold. Does have a set of headers on it. You can see those down there. It's just a little raindrop there, guys. Glass is nice. I love trucks, man. They're great sellers. People love them. But I just love old trucks, man. These things look good. New door handles, new mirrors. Again, it's got all new dark saddle interior, new carpet, new sill plates. Oh, they put the what do you call it, relocation, the fuel tank relocation, so it's not in the cab here, it's in the bed. Tilt column, sports steering wheel. It's got the Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. That's really nice. It's got a Autosounds AM/FM radio in it with the, you can see it's got the custom kick pads. Speakers in the kick pads. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It just a stock rear gear. There's no big gear or anything. Definitely something you can get on the expressway with. You can see all new hinges. Nice truck, man. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. One hand. Not too bad. Nice underneath. Again, new fuel tank. It's relocated. Good sounding Flowmaster exhaust system on it. New floor mats. Of course, I got those in. Those are on back order now. Not a ton of receipts. I think there's something for the engine in there. I know there's something for the AC in there. Oh, it's got a American Autowire custom wiring harness in it. They've upgraded the AC controls. Did I show you this? I don't know if I showed you up in here. Like I say, just a good truck, man. And that's just sprinkles. Air blows gold. Truck runs strong. I mean, it's a good little truck. Man, I wish we had some sunshine. That paint just pops. It glows on this thing. Gauges are all functional. 65,000 miles. Or I said 65,000. 65 miles. Way to go, David. Jeez. Radio works. It's got all new heater box and everything underneath too. Everything opens and closes nice. Clear headlights. It's your dimmer switch. Sorry guys, normally I don't stop them, but I knew those headlights worked. So again guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us, guys. Good looking truck. Check us out on TikTok. And hey, do it the old-fashioned way. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good-looking truck right there, man.